Ito lang ang aking sa lobby.
In English, what is our meaning in English?
Basta yung ma'am. Hindi ma'am, nag-basa ka naman namin ma'am. Tapos,
That's last year, right?
hindi na ba? Di ma'am, kung may natitira pang puso.
Hindi ko nabigyan ng quiz today.
Welcome guys. Welcome guys back to my vlog.
Ay, this is Teen. We just played chess.
I'm standing now.
shit.
I'm standing.
Yeah, look at Daphne. She hasn't eaten breakfast.
I haven't eaten
yet.
breakfast. My dinner last night.
What?
Holy shit, what was it? It was my favorite food ever in the world, which is tinola. Oh, I love
Tinola. Oh my god, they ordered na. Oh, look, AJ. AJ! Make a face. Make a face. What the? Zara. Dawn. Say hi. And then Jerlene and Ate LJ and stuff. Look at this. We need to order, guys. You get it? You get it now? Yeah. Oh, okay. Now, you do it. Daphne.
You do it.
You do it. You make the face.
Make the face, I'll make the sound.
Here. 1, 2, 3, go. You got it? You got it?
Like any sound different.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Rah rah. Ash's iPad. Wait, I have to clip this now. I have to clip this. I have to clip that. Say again. Oh yeah, wait. I'm gonna help. Look at them, guys. They're playing.
You have so many.
Thank you. Guys, say something to my vlog. Say something to my vlog.
Your vlog.
Yeah.
Watch Seska's vlog, guys. Changes your life.
Oh wow.
You watch Seska's vlog. Mickey's kiss.
What the fuck?
Don't flip!
What the frick? Hey, bro.
Oh, this is Kay. Birthday girl.
Give me something.
So guys, we are in another room because my professor's feet are hurting. Chai, say hi. Say something.
I love you guys.
Hey! This is their icebreaker for the report with this.
Gawa naman ako, ikaw.
Go, Shanti!
Oh, dalawang Shanti. Pinapati mo ko yung puso ko.
Babagay ako ikaw.
Gusto ko yung katabi ko, ikaw.
May tinutulak ako.
Nasa Egypt ako, ano
Go, Ronan!
May binabato ako ikaw.
Sumasayaw ka ikaw.
May sinasumpay ako ikaw.
Nag-badminton ako ikaw.
Nag-archery ako ikaw.
Nag-volleyball ako ikaw.
Nag-catching ako ikaw.
May inaabot ako ikaw.
May napas ako ikaw.
Pumapara ako ikaw. Nag-iis ako ikaw.
May nilalagay ako dun ikaw.
May inaabot ako dun eh.
Yeah, let's go!
Let's see the smell.
This is our lunch before PE. Look, this is Adrian, this is me, and this is Chiron. This is Darlene. See you guys at AC. What a great singer.